Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will deliver lecture number 3rd and chapter number 3rd. And in this lecture I will discuss about the star topology. What is star topology? All the devices are connected with central devices, and the central device is called hub, and all the devices are directly connected with hub. And if any one device want to communicate with another device, so sender device will send the message to hub, and hub will receive, and hub will send that message to receiver device. So it is easy, and all the connected devices controlled by hub. So it's also called switch. And hub, the best benefit is hub can control all the communicative or communication devices. Okay, and the first advantage is it's easy to install, and the second is single computer fail does not affect the network. It's mean if there is one computer will fail, others computer will do work. But the disadvantage is if the hub will fail, the other devices, communication devices, will be stopped. And if the hub and next disadvantage is it needs too much lengthy cable, because all the computers, all communication devices connected with the hub with cable. And the next is ring topology. In ring topology, all computers are connected with in ring shape, and the first computer is connected with second, and second computer is connected with third, and third connected with fourth, and similarly fourth last computer is connected with first computer. So that's why it's called ring topology. If computer first want to send message to third computer, it should first send to second computer, then it will send to third computer. And the advantage is that it's not need to central device. And the second, it can transfer data in high speed, because at once only one computer can do activities, can run that application. So that's why there is no troubleshoot. This is the advantage of this computer. And data collision mean that on one way only when computer can send data and can receive data. Okay, at one only one communication device do work. And in this network here is no nothing that you can say that if there is one computer is failed and other computer will affect. Here if the it will send the address to that computer. If that address not match with second computer, it second will send to third, and send, if third also not match that address, and it will be sent to fourth. May and then if there is data is present and that address is same, so that will be sent for computer will send to first computer. So it's a benefit. And what is the disadvantage of ring topology? If there is one single device, like third device will stop, so it's one way, because it's first sent to first to second, and second to third, third to fourth. So if there is third computer will stop working, then you will never send your message to fourth computer. So this is the disadvantage. And the second is if you want to add or remove any device, it's very complicated, and it's very complex. And next topology is mesh topology. And in mesh topology, each and every computer is connected with directly. So it's mean that first computer is connected with three or four the computers are there, it can be connected with that all computer. So if it want to send message to any computer, it can send. And the best advantage is if there is one path is blocked, or if there is one block is busy, so it will take new path. So it's benefit that it can send and receive data very easily. And in there is too much traffic, but there is many ways to transfer data, so it's very easy. And the disadvantage is too much disadvantages. But the disadvantage is here that here is all computers are directly connected, and there is too much cables, so it's expensive.